Hi everyone, my name's Lloyd and I'm the face behind With Lloyd, which is like my own little travel vlog that I started back in May last year. If you haven't watched the videos already, we went, we took you along with us really on our journey to Florida, and I'm just here testing out this lovely GoPro, which I've had for ages and didn't have a clue how to use. Turns out I still don't know how to use it because I just recorded a lovely 2-minute vlog, which ended up being 280 burst photos of me, which has been made into like some weird collage, which I might add on the end for a blooper. But basically I've got a lovely GoPro, my iPhone, which is what I normally film on, and my gimbal. I've also got our Samsung camera, which I'm going to trial out as well to see which I prefer to use, but obviously this is quite heavy and bulky when you're going out and about, so it might just be easier to use my phone and the GoPro. Or I've been eyeing up a Sony or the Canon, I think it's GX Mark II, whatever it's called, just to make vlogging life a lot easier when we're on the road. So if you've got any suggestions, please let me know. But also I thought I'd use this opportunity to tell you about what we're doing this year. So we're actually off to Amsterdam in March for a couple of days, little trip, just Adam and myself. In May I'm off to Paris actually, but I don't think we're actually going to get off on a mini break on a Royal Caribbean cruise with some friends for a hen party. Then we have a trip to Italy in July, where we're going to be visiting Pisa, Rome and Venice, followed by Jamaica in October for my friend's wedding. So lots to share with you this year, so I thought, right, let's get all the kit ready and actually prepare for my trips rather than just trying to wing it when I'm out there. But my first question to you all is, what do you recommend to do in Amsterdam? We don't do drugs, so please, I'm not interested in that. However, I want to see sights, I want to know what else there is to tick off my list. I've already booked Anne Frank's house, which I cannot believe how booked up that gets. So any recommendations or anything else we cannot miss, let me know. And basically, also tell me, do you prefer the iPhone footage from Florida or this lovely footage from the GoPro?